হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, সরি আগের দিন কিছু টেকনিক্যাল ইস্যুর কারণে ক্লাসটা কন্টিনিউ করা যায়নি। তো আগের দিন যতটুকু হয়েছিল আমরা ঠিক পর থেকে সেট থিওরি নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। ওকে, ওকে। So today we shall discuss about set operation. Today we shall discuss about set operation. At first come to union, and the symbol of union is this. Like if I have two sets like A and B, first come to union, then A union B means we shall write here as set building representation. At first take an variable like as element, so that is will be x, and then the such that x belongs to A, otherwise x belongs to B. তার মানে হলো যে A ইউনিয়ন B হচ্ছে সেই সেটটা, মানে সেখান থেকে যদি আমরা এলিমেন্ট তুলি সেটা নয় এ তে থাকবে, কিংবা বি তে থাকবে, কিংবা এ আর বি দুটোতে থাকতে পারে। That means it may be A or it may be B or it may be both A and B. ভ্যান ডায়াগ্রাম চিত্রের মাধ্যমে আমরা এটা বলতে পারবো যে এটা যদি আমার A সেট হয় and এটা যদি আমার B সেট হয়, then A union B is this portion. This will be my A union B set. Now I am taking some example. Like A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is 0, -1, 2, -4. বাট তাহলে এ ইউনিয়ন বি সেটটা কিরকম হবে? না, এ সেটের এলিমেন্টগুলোকে তো নেবই, তার সাথে বি সেটের এলিমেন্টগুলোকেও নেবো। শুধু আমাদের লক্ষ্য রাখতে হবে যে কোনো এলিমেন্ট যেন রিপিট না হয়। Such that A union B will be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and from B we shall take 0, -1. Okay, 2 already taken, so we should not repeat it. Then we just take -4. Another example, like this is my set X as small a such that 0 less than less equals to a, that will be less equals to 3, and this will be my y such that -1 less equals to b and less equals to 4, and both belongs to our real number set. So I am taking another condition, that is a belongs to real set and b belongs to also real set. So if I take the number line, the set will be just like that. This is my 0. So this set is 0 to 3. So if this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So my first set is like this. So this is my first set. Sorry. This will be my first set. And this will be -1, -2, this will be 4. And this is my second set. I am taking another color. Okay. So this is my B set. Just like this. So this is my X set and this is my Y set. So if I take the union, that will be this portion. This whole portion will be the union. Okay. So X union Y will be R such that 0, not 0, sorry, -1 less equals to R less equals to 4, where R belongs to real number. Okay. There is another note, that if A set is subset of B, such like this is my B set and this will be my A set. Okay. So then A union B will be the bigger set, that is B. So this is my A union B. So here we can easily see that X is a proper subset of Y. So definitely X union Y will be Y. So this is happening here. Okay. Next is intersection. And the notation is like this. Intersection means the common portion of the sets. Like if A and B two sets, then A intersection B is the only the common part. That will be if the element is X from A intersection B, then X such that X belongs to A and x belongs to B. Okay, so if I draw the Venn diagram like here, this is my A and this is my B. So the intersection portion is this. So this is my A intersection B. Okay. Now I am taking some example. So if A is like 2, 4, 6, B is 4, 5, 7, then A intersection B is the common. That will be the 4. 4 is in the common group. So intersection will be only 4. Yeah. Okay. There is another note. If A set is subset of B, then A intersection B is the only the smaller set, that will be A. So if I draw the Venn diagram, like here is B and this is A and this is A. So the intersection is like that. This is the intersection portion. Okay. This is the intersection. A intersection B. Hello. Okay. Next another condition is, now I am taking A set as 1, 2, 3 and B is like 4, 5, 6. So there is no common element between them. So if I take A intersection B, that will be 5. If this happened, then A and B are called disjoint set. So if I take A intersection B, that will be 5. If this happened, then A and B are called disjoint set. Next is uh, okay, if I draw disjoint sets as Venn diagram, that will be like this. This is the set A and this is the set B. So you can see there is no common part. So this will be disjoint. Next is difference between two sets. difference between two sets. Difference between two sets. If A is set and B is another set, B2 sets, B2 sets, then A minus B will be those elements which are belongs to A but does not belongs to B. That means we just discard the portion of B from A. So if I draw the Venn diagram, so this is my A set and this is my B set. So the only A minus B means this portion, just like that. So this is portion is A minus B. Okay. That means if my set is sorry 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then A minus B is just those elements of A which are not belongs to B. So that will be this one and this one, okay, this one and this one. So that means 0, 6, 8, 10. So this is my A minus B. Okay. Then there is another note that this is two sets like that is A and that is B. Okay. So there are three parts in this diagram, in this Venn diagram. That is first part will be this one. Okay. Second part will be this one. And third part will be this one. So there are total three parts. This diagram. First part is A minus B. The second part is the common portion, that will be A section B, and the third part is the portion of B that is extracted from A, that will be B minus A. There are three parts. Sorry. Next, complement of a set. আমরা আগেই পড়েছি যে ইউনিভার্সাল সেট কি জিনিস। Complement of a set. Okay. And if the set is A, if A is set, then complement of A will be denoted as, মানে কি দ্বারা চিহ্নিত করা হচ্ছে, A অর্থাৎ C or অনেক ক্ষেত্রে এটাকে এভাবে লেখে A dash, and the set will be just universal set minus A. Second bracket. Okay. So as Venn diagram, so this is my total universal set we are assuming. So this is the U, and this portion is A. So this is my the whole universal set. This is my whole universal set. And this is the only A portion, that will be the set is A. Okay. Then we just discard the A portion from the universal set, and the portion will be like this, and that is the this is the U minus A, that is A complement. Just yes, this is my তাহলে এটা হলো আমার হচ্ছে A কমপ্লিমেন্টটা। That is U minus A. Okay. Next, I am taking another example. If my universal set is the real set R, and Q, this will be my the set of all rational numbers. Then this is my collection all those numbers which are not rational. মানে আমরা রিয়েল নাম্বার সেট থেকে রেশনাল নাম্বারগুলোকে বাদ দিচ্ছি, তাহলে কি পড়ে থাকে? The remainder are the irrational numbers. So this is my set of all irrational numbers. Okay, so that's why we denote set of all irrational numbers like this. Okay, I'm taking another example. If the universal set is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 10, and the A set will be 2, 3, 4, 5, then A complement will be just this one and this number. So that will be 1, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay. Next is some laws. At first is idempotent law. If I take union of a set itself with itself, then we get back the set. Okay, and another, this is happening also for intersection. It is this. This is naturally. This is the trivial case. And next is commutative law. Commutative law means if I take two sets A and B, and if I take the union of them, so if I just make the opposite position of A and B, so the result will be as same. Okay, মানে আমি জাস্ট উল্টে দিচ্ছি A আর B এর পজিশনটাকে, এটা হচ্ছে কমিউটেটিভ লতে হয়, এবং তাতে কি থাকে যে রেজাল্টটা এটাতে সেম থাকে। আর ইন্টারসেকশনের ক্ষেত্রেও তাই হয় যে A ইন্টারসেকশন B যা আর B ইন্টারসেকশন এটাও তাই। তো এই দুটো হচ্ছে কমিউটেটিভ লয়ের প্রপার্টি। Next is associative law. That means just exchange of bracket. Okay, let me write it here. Associative law. So if I take two sets, three sets A, B, C, and A union B union C, that is also true for A union B, the first bracket, then external union C. Okay, so here you can notice that I am just exchange the bracket position, but the result as follows, same. And this is also happens for the intersection property, just like this. So this is the associative law. Next is distributive law. In arithmetic operation, we have learned that A cross B plus C is A cross B plus A cross C. So this is the arithmetic property. So here is also the same case as well, like A union B intersection C, and that will be A intersection B in the first bracket and taking the union here and A intersection C. জাস্ট তোমাকে এই মাঝের ইন্টারসেকশনটাকে এই প্লাসের আকারে ধরো, আর এই মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনের মতোই এই ইউনিয়নটাকে ভাবো, তাহলে কি ওকে 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 আই এম রিয়েলি সরি, জাস্ট লাইক দিস, ইয়েস দিস ইজ দ্য রাইট। তো এখানটায় জাস্ট মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনের মতোই এই ইউনিয়নটাকে ধরলে কি হবে, মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন যেভাবে ডিস্ট্রিবিউট হয়েছে ইউনিয়নটাও সেভাবে ডিস্ট্রিবিউট হয়ে গেছে, আর ইন্টারসেকশনটা অ্যাজ ইট ইজ রয়ে গেছে এখানে, এখানে যেমন ছিল, অ্যাজ এখানে আমার প্লাসটা ছিল ঠিক তেমন করবো। নেক্সট ইজ a okay, A intersection B union C, and that will be A intersection B union A intersection C. Always remember, uh, externally the operation behind the set A. Always repeat as the ordering after A as well, like here. Next, the vital rule, that is De Morgan's rule. De Morgan's law, and that is if I am taking A union B whole complement, that will be A complement intersection A intersection. So this is for today. We shall get back in the another lecture.